Okay, anybody there? No. Cool. So now I can jump over here. And wait, I'm going back the wrong way. So this is how you can die. Yep, get juked. Get juked. Huh? How? How? Oh my gosh. This is... Bro, the thing didn't even touch me. The thing did not even touch my avatar. Juked. Goodbye. Oops, going the wrong way. Alright, so... Dang, why everybody teaming on me? Back up. Back the fuck up. Move. Fucking move. Fucking move, bro. Personal space. Personal space. Personal space. Huh? Oh. Well, wee. I see what he meant by that. Okay, hi, little running head. Okay, checkpoint. Okay. Nope. Dodge, dodge, dodge. Okay. Ugly ass nigga, bro. Ugly ass nigga. Okay. Get away from me. I think it does it get harder? Cause this is oh. Well, I can explain that. I can explain that. There was a little error in the there was a little error in the system. I'm so sorry. It was a little error in the system. Okay, so I'm zooming out because I don't know what. Okay, so ha. Stage 2. Okay. Okay, can the game please load? Please. Okay, now my torso and arms are just gone. Okay. I was about to say. Nah, this is some maze type shit. Nah. Oh, and I'm lagging. I'm straight up lagging, so I'm probably already dead. Is this an open door or an exit door? Oh, okay, go this way. Do I... Okay, yay! Fugly ass nigga just walked by him. I think I'm severely lagging and I'm supposed to be literally dead right now. Yes, I think I'm... I'm sorry, y'all. I'm still really sick, but I managed to get up and make this vid, so... Whew. Oh, nope, Saw it, but immediately weaved. Hello. Oh. No, okay. Now, this part reminds me of Super Checkpoint. Now, Super Checkpoint used to be my favorite game, but it's slightly unfair now. You only get 1 life. Like, if you mess up once, you have to start all the way over. You don't get 9 lives anymore. Like, that game has truly updated, and I hate it. That's why I don't play it like that. Okay, now my legs are gone. Is this part of the level? Oh. No, I'm about to say. Bro, I am so fucking laggy. Like, is it me or is it the... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just shift over to Super Checkpoint, because My shit is just laggy. See, it had a 91 rating, but nobody's playing it. Literally, nobody is playing it right now. And it had 59.8 thousand. This was like a 2018 type game. This was like a 2018 type game, but like the highest stage I've ever gotten to was like 30, I think. That's the highest stage, and they updated it, so now you gotta do 100 stages, I think, or is it 30? But yeah, it was a hacker in Derpy. What are you doing on my jump button? I'm literally the only one playing this. Yes, I remember this semi-cringe game. Oh, so he gave you 25 lives now. Now he's finally being fair, so I'm gonna actually play this real quick. Oh, so I thought when you touch the water... I thought when you touch the water, you get to jump on it and fix yourself. But if you touch it once, you're just over. You're done. So he made it into an actual obby now. Okay, this is gonna have to... Yeah. I'm tired of hearing that over and over. That just plays over and over. And no, guys, I'm not trash at obbies. I'm not trash at obbies. I'm just reminiscing at this point. Just reminiscing. Stage 2, where everything goes wrong. Yep, just reminiscing, playing this game. I remember me being a 9-year-old kid constantly raging at this game when I'm at least on stage 15 and then I just die and I have to start all the way over. Like, I got so mad at that. But now I'm almost a whole entire 15-year-old and now I'm just bleh. Like, that's literally what it is now, just bleh. Okay, so where do I go? Oh, so they updated this game. Like, some of the obbies ain't even the same. Okay, some of the obbies ain't even the same. What the fuck? Yeah, some of the obbies are not even the same. I didn't jump on no little cloud or nothing. I didn't have to jump on no little cloud. What the fuck? Oh yeah, so the checkpoint is 30. Okay. Okay, now where do I go? Yeah, because I remember all these stages, like literally all of them, if they're not modified. I did not touch the water. What the hell just happened? I didn't even touch the water. Okay, how did I miss that jump? Please explain. Nigga, I didn't even touch the damn water. I didn't touch the damn water, bruh. I didn't touch the water. I don't know what's going on right now. Or is... Yeah, this game on been very modified. Like, if you touch the water once, you're dead. Like, you don't get 3 chances or nothing. You used to get 3 chances, bro. Okay, so I guess I go this way or something. Okay, got the little truss. Why the fuck do you have to climb like that? And I remember us having to jump across little Oreos, not little fucking cube clouds. Okay, what the do we jump on the trees? Oh, the sign said literally jump on trees. So anywhere past this black line, I guess I just have to try jumping on the trees. So guess I'll just go ahead and do that. So yeah, basically if you touch the ground, you die. Like floor is lava type shit. And that was easy. Alright. I'm surprised I'm even on stage 7 right now. They made this easier than I expected. Like, way easier. Because I would have at least died. I would have at least taken at least like half of my lives. I at least be on live. On live 13 right now. Why is the lava so big? Like, it just increases your chance of literally having your little tip of the toe touch the corner of the lava and die. It just increases that chance by a whole lot. I don't even know why that was put there. All you have to do is walk on the side. Oop, near miss. That was a near miss. Wait, can you jump? Can you ladder flick? And it won't really work like that. This isn't Flood Escape 2. Okay. I wonder how many people still play Flood Escape 2, because that was also one of my favorite core games as a child. It used to be booming, but ever since new maps got put out, I don't think people play it as much. And my voice changed again. Hold on. Yeah, people don't play it as much ever since that new map got removed. I think it's autumn something. It's because it was some drama had happened between a developer and someone else, and some death threats were like, it was like death threats going around, and people were hacking in that map. So okay, this is very different. I don't know what the fuck this is. Yeah, they have updated this. They have updated this all the way, because I don't remember doing anything like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna save that for now. Plus, I'm the only one playing the game, which is very awkward. So, yeah. Thanks for, watching the video. Well, actually, you don't have to, but, like, yeah. You get what I mean, guys. You get what I mean.